We've seen already, the biker world is steeped in history, and we have a lot more for you.
Joe and Jesse Bravo from the Top Hatters Motorcycle Club are true pioneers of the biker lifestyle.
Tell us about Hollister. You know, when they shot that movie, Wild Ones.
The Wild Ones, well, it wasn't like the movie, you know. They added a little bit here and there, and it did get kind of raw there for a little bit.
The Top Hatters are one of the oldest motorcycle clubs still in existence. Their mother chapter is in the birthplace of the American biker, Hollister, California. Having formed in 1947, they consider themselves to be serious bikers that keep the tradition of hard riding and club life sacred. They have a motto, moving forward, always forward. But they also say that as they move forward, they will never forget where they came from. They came from the foundation that was laid by men like Joe and Jesse. Genuine biker originals. A very real part of the inner circle.
We just do motorcycle music, that's all we do.
Welcome to Hollister. I'm Goth Girl from the Devil Dolls Motorcycle Club. It's Friday. The bikes are starting to roll in. It's a great sight. There's some awesome bikes, great bikes. Walking down the street is beautiful. And just avoid the SWAT teams, but it's good. The weather's going to be perfect. We've got a lot of things to see. It's going to be great.